smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Waiting till the morning to get a good picture of the castle. It's early morning. Most of the pilgrims are gone by 7. We're around quarter to 8. Just a little bit later. But this is where we go. Regardless of the weather, just their custom. A lot of Asian peregrinos wear long-sleeved, long-trousered. A very long, thin village wrapped around the bottom of this hill with the castle on the top. Long shadow day. And our target for the early morning is just going up that path. And once we're up to that, we're on a plateau. It's funny, I was looking at the vegetation thinking there's got to be a lot of water here somewhere. It's rather a nice, slow-moving river. The wind turbines all the way along the other escarpment. It's fairly easy on an electric bike to get up a hill. A small summit cairn and hut. A well-used rest stop at the top of that particular climb. Today, the rain in Spain doesn't fall upon the plain. All those wheat fields. So, very little to break the monotony of this particular section. As you can see, it's a pretty straight path between wheat fields. After an hour or so walking through those wheat fields, you come to this nice little patch of trees, and lo and behold, a food truck. Yeah, it's a road. Oh, tadpoles. Hundreds of tadpoles. Just a couple of buildings. Coming up to our bridge over the river, but it's a lovely narrow bridge, so traffic control. The Ponte Fitero. Going over a beautiful river. And as I say, one-way traffic. These places to get in as the carriages go by. But there's the beautiful river. It's a long, long bridge. It's a very wide river. A lovely respite from the heat coming through these trees into the next village. One thing that is consistent is just the number of birds, all the bird noise. Another stalk. And we have another marvellous mural welcoming you to Itero de la Vega. Okay, I know I've done a lot of videos on storks, but look at these. Quite a few on that one, and quite a few on that one, with somebody on their nest. Good morning, day 14. Whew. This is definitely a day in the Meseta. First half of the day, just walking through the wheat fields on quite a good path, to be fair. I know all the paths are good, but it's quite a hot day. About halfway today. Challenge sometimes to find extra material, but today was the day I met Steve, Mighty Blue, the Mighty Blue podcast, on which I've been a guest, but yeah, I saw him again, we had a good chat. He's recording tonight, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, it's one of those days on a trail where you just sort of get through that day. Hasn't got too much that's memorable about it, you just get through it. So let's see where the rest of the day takes us. These are the first umbrellas I've seen. Neither has an attachment to their pack, so they're going to carry the umbrella and their sticks in one hand. This is interesting. They say it's a canal. A huge concrete canal, moving water that way. We've just got to pop over one of these little pimples and then we're on our way down. Can he make it across? Here we go, just over our little rise and all the villages ahead of us. Still got some wildflowers. They don't ring a bell, they don't do anything, you just hear a cyclist coming up behind you. Just keep walking, just keep walking. Coming into the next village, Boadilla del Camino. And as we come in, we've noticed the church is covered. It is slightly ridiculous how many are on this building. If you look at that end one, there's a little one it looks like. Through the town, a nice windy walk. We come up and we're met with a canal. Super! A usable canal means boats, and that means landing areas that go up and down, which this one looks like it does a little bit. To do the St. James Way on a boat. So the concrete irrigation channels come all the way up to the side of this canal, and there's a sluice to let through water. Clearly some new infrastructure. Building a huge bridge, so at some point there's going to be a road. curve in the canal. So not just straight lines. Of course there is. And more. So this is an off-the-cuff booking. It looks like these are the overspill rooms. And we have the two down here. So you hide away in your restaurant and you come out. The weather forecast said it was sunny for the next 2 weeks. It's pouring with rain.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.